Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need the basics in place: charged devices, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled, and your Apple ID signed in. Once done, power on the Apple Watch and hold it next to your iPhone. The pairing animation should appear. If it doesn't, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and on the home screen so the Watch app can run without interruptions. This gets you into the guided pairing flow quickly. You'll either scan the watch's animated pattern with your iPhone camera or choose to enter the code shown on the watch. Either method establishes the secure link. After pairing, follow prompts to select your wrist and watch orientation, then choose Restore from Backup or Set up as New. Restore saves apps and settings, New starts clean. Make sure you create a passcode and enable features like Activity, Siri, and Find My so the watch is personalized and protected. Let the watch finish syncing. This can take several minutes depending on backups and apps. Once syncing completes, confirm notifications, health data, and add cards to Apple Pay if needed. If something looks off, restart both the watch and iPhone, then open the watch app and try pairing again. This resolves most hiccups. If pairing still fails, unpair any previous watch in the app, update iOS and watchOS, and then repeat the pairing steps to ensure a clean connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.